you are suffering from eosinophilic esophagitis and you get frustrated when people tell you that you eat too fast or you are often distracted while eating food, well, it is important to understand that eating too quickly or avoiding distractions while eating food is necessary. But it is also important to understand that people who have eosinophilic esophagitis experience the symptom of dysphagia, that is difficulty in swallowing, because their food pipe or esophagus is inflamed. If you want to learn everything about eosinophilic esophagitis, right from what is it, its causes, symptoms, and how to treat it naturally, then this video is surely for you. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhuri Gupta. I am the Senior Ayurvedic Consultant at AIFA Ayurveda. So this condition is made up of two terms, eosinophilia and esophagitis. Esophagitis means when there is an inflammation or swelling in the food pipe, and eosinophilia refers to a condition when the number of eosinophils, which are a type of white blood cells, increases. Now, when the inflammation in the food pipe or esophagus occurs due to increase in number of eosinophils in the food pipe due to some food allergies, then this condition is called eosinophilic esophagitis. Now, let's understand what are the causes of this condition. First reason is food allergies. There are some food items like cow's milk, wheat, eggs, and soy, which makes the person more prone to have eosinophilic esophagitis. So, you should avoid these food items. Second reason is genetic makeup. Few individuals are more predisposed to have eosinophilic esophagitis due to their unique genetic constitution. Third reason is environmental factors. Few people are allergic to dust mites, pollen grain, molds, or pet dander, and it also makes them more prone to have eosinophilic esophagitis. Now let's understand the Ayurvedic perspective. According to Ayurveda, this condition can be correlated to Amla Pitta. Now, this happens when the person whose Pitta dosha is already aggravated consumes incompatible food items, that is Viruddha Ahar and Dusht Ahar. That means the food items that are unsafe to consume. Then the person's Pitta dosha gets further vitiated and it gives rise to Vidagdha Pitta. Due to this reason, the digestive fire, it gets vitiated and it is unable to digest the food properly. Now, the undigested food creates toxins which give rise to this condition called eosinophilic esophagitis or Amla Pitta according to Ayurveda. When this condition happens, the person experiences sour or acidic taste in the mouth, indigestion, heartburn, acidity, and acid reflux. The first line of treatment to manage Amla Pitta is to restore the balance of three doshas or energies that are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Ayurvedic management of eosinophilic esophagitis depends upon the unique body constitution of the individual as well as on the severity of the condition. The patient can be prescribed some Panchakarma or detoxification therapies like Vaman, Virechin, or Asthapan Basti. In addition, some herbal supplements can also be given to restore internal equilibrium or balance. But they must be strictly taken under the guidance of Ayurvedic physician. Now let's discuss some do's and don'ts, some pathyas and apathyas. First point, you should eat light, easy to digest and freshly cooked meals. Second point, you should include food items which are alkaline in nature such as pumpkin, coconut water, fennel water, gulukan. Third point, you should drink water which is stored in copper vessels. Now let's discuss don'ts or apatyas. You should avoid eating too hot, spicy or sour food items. Second point, you should also limit the use of processed, packed food items and junk food items. Third point, you should also avoid overexposure to sunlight and doing extra strenuous physical workouts or lifting heavy weights. By following these tips, in addition to some herbal supplements, you can increase your natural healing power to get rid of eosinophilic esophagitis. If you found the video to be informative, then do like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe to our channel.